Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siya Hlazia. Hey guys, you remember the story that we reported on after Mkhwanazi was dropping names there at the Madanga last week, where he said, a deputy chief of police, Eguruleni, is the one that actually registered cars Zgamatlala. The name of the deputy general is Major General Mkhwanazi. Hello baba lo waziregister zonke imoto zika Cat Matlala and fitted them with blue lights to go into the streets and like the owner municipality. You cannot even be serious right now. Now what has happened to him? Yeah, this guy. He's been suspended. You know, I laughed so hard because I was just like, Yakumla Nomkhulu didn't even take a day. He was actually suspended 2 days after. And our president was not even in the country. When he came back, he suspended him. Same as this guy. This guy has been suspended. But now there was a story so good to Uti. He is taking leave. So there was just that confusion. But we happy to see something is happening, you know, around him. He must be arrested, actually. It was just by thing. High ranking positions and then you abuse the resources like that guy. You remember the guy that I reported on last month who took his child to matric dance? Same thing. Why would you do that in a police van? In a police van. Like, who cares about those things? And then now you are suspended. Umkhwana was suspended the following day after matric dance. I was just like, no, I'm done. There was actually 2 of them that was suspended. There's court somewhere. Manje ingane esikoleni zobhala matric ubaba wakho waziwa ukuthi, you know, oh, so lo baba club bamsuspenda after he brought her to matric dance. It's not nice anymore. Like I said, it's not funny. Yeah. So baba shame but suspendiwe kodwa ungabe usufuna leave kwenza ini.